Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a Jamaican jerk chicken recipe. Now guys, as I told you in my previous video, I'll be putting this grill to good use. So let's get this show on the road. So guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the oven, the grill to preheat. So I'm gonna plug it in. I might plug it in the wrong way. When it's ready guys, the green light will pop up, says ready, and then I'll be putting them on the grill. Here I have my chicken, my jerk sauce that I used, just my utensil for using, a list of seasoning that I have in it, and last but not least, my jerk chicken. There you go, close up. So guys, when next you join me, they'll be going on the grill. Thank you guys for your continued support. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay guys, there you see the ready button. So I'm ready to add my chicken to the grill. Now guys, this is just leg and thigh. I'm just gonna set them out on the grill. Now guys, when you're doing jerk chicken, you have to keep the skin on in order to keep the moistness in the meat. It's not like baking when you have to turn off, you take off the skin when you're baking. Alright, I think that's the amount that I can put on. So guys, as I said, I'm gonna enjoy having this grill. So sorry. So guys, I'm just gonna close it down now and let it cook. Okay guys, I'm gonna check on it now. Get in there, get in there. Sorry. Oh guys, you know, if it doesn't have that grill look on it, it's not jerk, authentic jerk chicken. So guys, I'm gonna give it some more time and get my stuff ready. Normally would add beer to it, but I don't have any beer on this strip, so continue to watch and see what I do. Now guys, I'm going to check back on it and add a little moisture to it. I have to have on a sweater because I cracked the door. so that the place doesn't get a lot of smoke. You just add the water to it to just give it that moist. As I said, if I had a beer, I would have used it to marinate it. So you can just use the same thing and just let it moist. Look at that. Okay guys, look at that. Hi guys, I'm back. Now guys, I was making the sauce and I thought that it was recording, so I'll tell you what I added to it. I added a little ketchup, a little jerk sauce, and some barbecue sauce, and a little black sugar, or brown sugar as you call it. So what I'm gonna do now is coat the chicken, because you want to keep that nice jerk flavor. So I added the barbecue, the jerk seasoning that you see on the side there, to keep that nice flavor. Of course you guys know that the jerk chicken is spicy. For those who, you know, when you travel to Jamaica and you eat the street food, the jerk chicken on the corner from the pan, very spicy. Ooh. So guys, I'm gonna let it simmer, and then I flip it and add the sauce to the other side. Okay guys, I'm back. It's about that time now. We almost reached the end of this cooking. Woo! I think I might have made the sauce a bit too thick, guys, but not to worry. And it's spicy, as jerk chicken is supposed to be. Okay guys, we're ready. Here you see I have my cutting board. So I'm going to show you guys just how moist this meat is. So I'm going to chop up a few pieces. Okay guys, I'm just going to grab a piece. Of course you know how the jerk chicken looks. Ooh, a lot of splashing guys, but I'm gonna have to clean up. So I'm just showing you guys how they do it. You know, I'm doing this recording, so anything splashes. So guys, I'm just gonna set it up on the finishing product and just show you guys. You know, mess comes around when you're cooking, so don't mind that. Okay guys, here we go. My jerk chicken recipe. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you guys.